Hi friends, thank you for joining this session. All are join. Okay, fine. Thank you so much for joining the session. Today I'm going to teach about the Aruba ClearPass overview, portfolio, and architecture. Okay, the overview of the ClearPass architecture. We discuss about in the topic. I just brief about this topic. I will discuss and then start the session. So that is the topic is ClearPass Policy Manager CPPM, that CPPM, ClearPass Guest, ClearPass Onboard, ClearPass Onboard, ClearPass Profile, ClearPass Exchange, ClearPass Device Insight. Okay, we can discuss about this topic today. Okay, ClearPass overview. We'll start the one by one. Okay, so first of all, discuss about the ClearPass. Okay, to effectively implement robust network access control, that is NAC solution. A deep understanding of the Susan platform and capability and underlying the architecture is essential. Aruba ClearPass is a leading NAC platform. Offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to secure network access for the various device types, user, and location. Building upon our fundamental knowledge of NAC principle and AAA concept, understanding these elements is crucial of designing, deploying, and managing the secure and efficient network access control. The strategy ensuring that only authorized and compliant entity and connect to your valuable network resources. Core component of the Aruba ClearPass. Okay. The core component of ClearPass importance. And next go to the ClearPass manager. Okay. Aruba ClearPass portfolio core component. Aruba ClearPass portfolio is not a single product. Aruba ClearPass portfolio is not a single product, but a collection of the interconnected modules and features that work together to provide a holistic NAC solution. Each component addresses specific aspect of the network access control, from initial connection to ongoing posture assessment and user device management. Now the ClearPass manager, that means CPPM, ClearPass policy manager, that is a CPPM. Okay. So ClearPass Policy Manager is the fundamental and central component of the entire ClearPass suite. What is the ClearPass Policy Manager? ClearPass Policy Manager is the ClearPass Policy Manager is the foundational and the central component of the entire ClearPass suites. Okay, it serves as the primary policy engine, Radius, Takas plus server, responsible for making all access decisions based on the configurable policies. When a user or device attempt to connect to the network, the access device like switches, wireless controller, communication with the ClearPass policy manager, which then authenticated the entity authorized its access based on the identity and context, can even the log its activity. Second point is ClearPass guest. ClearPass Guest is the dedicated modules within the ClearPass portfolio. ClearPass Guest is the dedicated modules within the ClearPass portfolio designed to simplify and secure guest network access. It provides customizable web portal for guest self-registration, sponsor approvals, and credential delivery, ensuring a smooth yet control experience for the visitor. Example is one example given to the guest, a real world example. A businessman hosts a conference. attends and connect to the guest Wi-Fi SSID. They are redirected to a ClearPass guest portal where they can self-register using their email address. The portal emails them temporary credential for internet access for the duration of the conference. Okay. Second one example of the guest healthcare clinic provide Wi-Fi for patients. When a patient connect, they are dedicated. So they are directed to a ClearPass guest portal. A front desktop member or sponsor log into the portal and register the patient and can specify the access duration, ensuring the compliance and the security. These are the example about the guest. Second, one more example about the ClearPass onboard. ClearPass onboard is a facility secure. Bring your own device. BOID. Program by automating the provisioning of personal devices. It guides user through a process to configure their devices with the secure network setting, including the installation of trusted certificate and 802.1x supplicant profiles, ensuring they are meet the corporate security standards before accessing the or internal networks. Just example about the onboard ClearPass onboard. Just give the one small example. Okay, an employee buy a new personal smartphone. Okay, I'll just one example is the real of the on guard how to work. An employee buy a new personal smartphones. They want to use it to access corporate email and Wi-Fi ClearPass onboard guides them through a web-based wizard to enroll the device, install a company issue certificate, and configure the Wi-Fi port profile for 80. Authentication. Secure its access to the corporate resources. So all device to the connect in the networks, corporate networks that should be which it should be compliant. Hmm? One more example about the onboard. A school a school district want to student to use their personal tablet for learning. ClearPass onboard provide a streamlined process for students to register their tablets, install the necessary educational apps, and configure them for a secure Wi-Fi access on the school networks. They automatically accessing them to a student-specific VLANs. This is used for the automatic features of the onboard. Now, one more important feature about the ClearPass is the on guard. ClearPass on guard. ClearPass on guard is a posture assessment and health check solution. Runs on it runs as on agent on endpoints to verify their security health, example antivirus status, operating system, and patches. Before allowing or maintaining network access, if a device is found non-compliant, OnGuard can restrict its or remediate the issues. Real example about the anyone connect the laptop, that laptop not compliant due to the not antivirus not installed or patches not updated. That system going to move the quarantine VLAN. Through the on-guard agent, I will taking care of all the system, desktop or laptop, which should be match the should be compliant devices before connect the network. If the non-compliant device found, that device should not able to access the networks. One more example about the ClearPass profile. What does the ClearPass profile? ClearPass profile is responsible for identifying and classifying devices connecting to the networks. It uses various techniques like DHCP fingerprint, HTTP user agent, Nmap scan, SNMP strap to determine the device type. Example: IP phone, printer, smart TV, Windows, laptop, IoT sensor. Without requiring an agent, this is profiling data is and these used by CPPM to apply contracts aware policies. One example about the profile is a new network printer is plugged into and the official wall jack. The ClearPass profile analyzes its DSCP request and the SNMP information, identify it as a HP LaserJet 4000 printer and the automatically placed into the printer device group. CPPM then applies a policy granting it's only the print server access, not a general internet or internal server access. This auto profile feature in the ClearPass. One more feature about the component about the ClearPass device insight. What does the ClearPass device insight? ClearPass device insight is a more the advanced device visibility and the profiling tool that provide a even deeper insight into connected devices, including those previously unknown. It collects information from wider array of source and uses machine learning to create a highly accurate and continuous updated inventory of all endpoints, including their behavior and risk posture. This is the use of the ClearPass device insight. One more example about the device ClearPass Exchange. ClearPass Exchange is in the product itself, but the interconnect framework that allow ClearPass to share contextual information with and receive information from third party security and IT systems. This is enable enhanced automation that response and the policy enforcement across the broader security ecosystem. Now we are going to explain about the ClearPass architecture overview. Okay. So now I'm going to teach about the ClearPass architecture overview. Okay. So now the ClearPass architecture. Now we're discussing about this topic. The architecture of an Aruba ClearPass deployment revolves around a distributed yet unified. The system designed for scalability, redundancy, and decentralized policy enforcement. At its core, ClearPass operates as an authentication, authorization, and accountability. That is the AAA servers, making access decision for network devices. Policy engine, policy engine, and database. Discussing about the ClearPass. At the heart of the ClearPass is its a policy engine, which process all incoming authentication and authorization requests. It consults an internal database that store in configuration policies, user device attributes, and operational data. This data is crucial for maintaining state and context necessary for decision making. When a device connect to the network access, when a device connect to a NAT, that means network access device such as a switch or wireless controller, sends NAT sends a radius or TACAS request to the ClearPass. ClearPass then authentication. The user device credential example username password certificate MAC address against internal or external identity store such as the Active Directory LDAP. Authorizations mean the user device based on these set of predefined policies that consider the factor like identity, device type, profile, device health, for on guard, location, etc. Account means the session logging, connection details, assigning roles, and session duration for audit reporting the purpose. Now the protocol use. The ClearPass primarily relies the standard communication protocol interact with the network device and the other system. First is radius. Radius, the full form of the radius, remote authentication dial in user service. What is the full form of the radius? Remote authentication dial in user service. The fundamental protocol for authentication, authorization, and the accounting, such that AAA for the network access. Network access device, that is NAT, send the radius request to the ClearPass, and ClearPass respond with the access decision. Second point is TACAS Plus. What the full form of the TACAS Plus? Terminal Access Controller Access Control System Plus. The TACAS primarily used for the device authentication, CLI or GUI access to the network infrastructure device like switches, router, firewall, provide more granular command authorization than radius. SNMP. What is the full form of this? SNMP is simple network management protocol used by the ClearPass profiler to gather information about a device and a network infrastructure. One more point, DHCP dynamic. The DHCP also profile analyzing DHCP request to the fingerprint devices. HTTPS, one more things. HTTPS and HTTP used for web-based portal, guest onboard API communication and some profiling method. LDAP, one more thing I'm missing the LDAP. LDAP, what is the full form of the LDAP? Lightweight Directory Access Protocol, SICR, used to the integrate with the external identity store like Microsoft Active Directory. Okay, so just discuss about the real world scenario about this architecture we're discussing, and they discuss someone to real world application how to use this. Okay, Aruba ClearPass has been adopted by organizations across the various industries due to its flexibility, compressive features set, and ability to address diverse access control challenges. Okay, so where the use of the ClearPass, healthcare, education, banking, financial. Okay, these are the most important. These are using this. Okay, so now the thank you so much for this joining this session only for introduction today. Thank you.